DU4080 Featherlite Lift-Up Bagless Upright Vacuum 2 Motor Power Suction Lightweight Carpet Cleaner with HEPA Filter. At under 12 pounds, this full-sized upright goes anywhere with ease. 850.0 watts. Specific uses: home decor. Quickly transition to a lightweight pod for stairs and above floor cleaning. The HEPA filtration system lets you know the vacuum traps 99.97% of dust down to 0.3 microns inside your vacuum, keeping them out of the air you breathe. Maneuver around corners and furniture seamlessly, leaving dirt nowhere to hide. Includes an individual upholstery tool and a 3-in-1 combination tool featuring a crevice tool, dusting brush and upholstery tool for a whole home clean. Details product by link in description. Get best price and discount for this product. You can click link in description. See you.